everyone, this is Power Dog. So, the fan I had up here originally, which would be this one, was it was working fine, but finally it started giving issues. So, I've replaced it with this. So this is a Jamaica wind ceiling fan. It's a different one from the other one that's in the other part. Let me just show you that one. There's this one, it's the exact same thing, but this is just the second one that I got from the office. So it's different from this one. So it's this one. So not really much has changed other than the actual fan. And you can also see this annoying thing where not only is the canopy yellow, but you can also see the gap because the canopy is smaller than the one that came with the original fan. The blades are very shiny because they're actually repainted due to rust. And if you look, you can see the Jamaica wind sticker, and you can also see that the plastic has turned yellow. That's really annoying, but in order to preserve that sticker, it's just gonna have to stay yellow. I mean, I wouldn't mind if everything had yellowed over evenly, but for whatever reason, this half is white and the other half has turned yellow. This used to be in like the cafeteria area of that office. I'm not too sure if maybe something with the location turned it yellow, but yeah. And we've got the control. Let's just start on low speed. And yes, this is the same control for the Induscom fan, which is why, yeah, these didn't come with any controllers. They were on light switches for whatever reason. So it's amazingly silent for an industrial ceiling fan. What you're hearing is the other one in there. This one is making virtually no noise. Ooh, now you can kind of hear the wind sound. Oh, and I also found out that the camera seems to have like an automatic wind noise filter, so that makes it really hard to show you the air movement. To give you an idea, that thing up there is starting to move. It's just a very light breeze on low speed. Speed 2. Right now it's starting to, you can hear the noise from the blades, but besides that, the bearings are completely silent. This is like the high speed for some fans, and this is only speed 2. Oh, my focus. There you go. Now we're going to switch to speed 3. So, if you remember, the Induscom would be very loud on this speed. This one is not as loud, but you can hear the sound of the blades. The air movement is actually really nice. I'm just gonna go take that down and use that to determine the air movement. Hold on. You can see it moving in the breeze. Let's go to speed 4. Alright, similar to speed 3 and 2. Air movement is pretty good. I wouldn't really say that it's as powerful as the workshop ceiling fan, but it is still pretty good in my opinion. Speed 5. This is as fast as it goes. So it's quiet on speed 5. All you can hear is the air moving yet again. See that moving in the breeze. And now it's time for speed off. That's not even a speed, but I call it speed off sometimes. It's been all worn out. Spindown. Spindown usually takes a long time, which is a good sign because if the spindown is short, probably means something is wrong with the bearings. I'm not going to wait through all of that. That's gonna take forever. So I'm just gonna go look at the other one. All right, here's the second one. I'm not gonna do a full speed video. I'm just gonna do like a short showcase. This is my computer set up. And just ignore. Yeah, this one is wobbly because like one of the blades got bent on the way back, so other one is perfectly stable. You get a really good look now at that yellow that I was complaining about. It's like I don't know why it had to be like, if the whole thing was yellow, I wouldn't really mind, but this one is completely white, by the way. Well, once it stops, I'll show you, but the canopies on this are completely white. There's no yellowing on them. This one used to be in like, I don't know where it was, but like when you first entered the place, this one was in there, and it had a little bit of rust on the blades originally. That was the one in the cafeteria. Both of them have replacement capacitors, by the way, because the ones that it came with, they were going extremely slow. I don't even remember if I did a video of them when they were like that, but it was a 6 microfarad capacitor, and this one is actually using an 8 microfarad because I didn't have I didn't have a 6 microfarad capacitor, so this is using 8 microfarads, and this one is using 6. So yeah, there it is. There's a little bit of yellowing, like very slight on the other side. And because the blades on this one weren't painted, they look slightly discolored, but whatever. And yes, there's another Induscom controller because I had both of these used to be Induscom fans, but then the one in here fell down, and then the one out here started giving problems. It wasn't working properly, so. And oh, let me explain this one. So, if you remember when I did a video on those, like the squeaky KDK ceiling fan, they actually replaced those. So there's now, they replaced those with Induscom ceiling fans. So there's those, okay, so this is one of them that it was removed because the bearings got locked up because water was in it. So it's working now. I just need to give it back to them, and hopefully I'll get a video of it. That's why it has no down rod, and yeah, the bearings are moving now, so I just need to give that back to them. And the computers, Power Dog Extras, to explain. Like I don't do computers on this channel. Okay, so that's all. That's the whole video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.